So, welcome back. After reading the document, understanding requirement, so you're just gonna add one more thing to your installer. Still didn't check, still running to install, it should be done. So you're gonna click modify, go inside, and you're gonna add one more element which is important. Make sure that you have your ASD depending on your window. If it's a 10, then put 10. If it's a 11, then put 11. Make sure also to add window universal platform, which is actually application development, which is in here. It's required, otherwise it would not work. And also add your new development, knowing that it's not mentioned into the package, but if you don't add it, you may have errors. If you want more information, just navigate to this document over here, where actually you're gonna find all the guidelines and information regarding the matter, even the command CLI if you're not unsure what you're going to be doing or how you can install. If you remember, we never reached to this part, so I'm just gonna add for you a link in case that you want to install it in a previous version. You may just run this version over here on your VS Code 2000 and on your VS Code 2000 and 2019, which would work no problems, but you're still gonna need to add those requirements. So if you wanna test it on old versions, which I don't recommend, you may just put the name of your app and just initialize inside your project, which will create for you a window, and inside of it you should have all your compiled on it. So if you look over here, those are the window compiling packages, and this is your actual application. And this is the packages. May take a bit of time to compile, so we're just gonna leave it. I'm not gonna stop the video. I'm gonna let it until it finishes and it says successfully installed. And it would run into a window form by itself separately, which will show us the window. It's just the first time on the builds, and after that, on running, it should be perfect. Also, if you've been using npms, make sure to clear your npms, which if you want, just write. If you use yarn, would be more better, because with yarn you're just gonna put yarn clean cache clean. It will actually remove for you all the cache yarn without force over here. Since I just cleaned the cache, sorry, it's clean cache. I just cleaned 20 GB of cache, which was actually in my yarn. Let me double check. just waiting for this to complete. I have actually removed the yarn, so anyway, I'm gonna check that maybe later on. For yarn B. Okay, and frame is not recognized and yarn is not. Since I removed them, afraid I'm gonna have to add them back again. So, because I needed to clear the cache, therefore I needed to. No, no, this is not the command. So now let me just run V. Okay, now it's fine. So if you do yarn cache clean, which is a different thing, it should clean for you the cache. You have a lot of free space after that. Like you can see, it's 29 by if I refresh it would be now already 6 GB gone. I do have an external hard drive now, 1 terabyte, which is actually useful. So I will recommend for you actually to have a separate external drive where you keep your project and you just move them whenever you need. And also remove the node models once you finish from a project. Otherwise, you're gonna have 500 megabytes located in each folder of a project that you have. Also, do clear the cache and do delete the folders from time to time. Doesn't matter if they're gonna reinstall as long as you have free space so you can work on your workspace. So for me earlier, it crashed for me over linking manager. Now it bypassed that. So let's see now, keyboard utilities, location blend render, and script XML files, which is a good thing. React support. If you're not familiar with XML, there are files. Okay, now we got our problem. Okay. So it says it cannot open this folder, which is window dash something dash something. Let me dive into that folder, located it first. So what was the folder? Windows Microsoft. I'm just gonna go to my packages. So we still miss one folder. So it says over here it could not open the folder that we had over here.